guys, showing you an upcoming cylinder I've been working on for a while. It's a G-4 cylinder, and I'm putting it on that bike. Just been fucking lazy. Want to say thanks to Brian Amos for a lot of the stuff he shows on his videos. It's very helpful. And like he says, guys, it's just a bicycle with a motor on it. Let me just show you what I'm doing here. I take off the exhaust bridge in all my G4s. Don't really mess with I used to take off a little bit off the roof, but that was killing my torque. So keeping it wide, and like he says, they are off-centered. But to make it center, you got to do a lot of bullshit. Also, I take off I guess it's called the transfer for the bridge for the transfers. I take those off and do not touch the roof on them. That roof is angled towards the intake, and you don't want to mess with those angles. But yeah, I really like the G4 cylinders too. I'm trying a new 19mm carb or intake on it, which fits perfectly, guys. This was a choke point on a lot of them, are the stock ones, which are 19mm, and I believe this is like 23mm. But it fits perfect. This is going to be my new PZ carburetor I'm putting on. I got jets for it. This actually fits perfect too, you know. And show you I got a new jet kit for that, because I have a feeling it's gonna have to go lower than 60. So bought some 5mm jets. Guys, I don't fuck too much with the pistons, and I want to do a boost port. I'm just I don't have no machining tools, and I'm just too scared to fuck it up with a Dremel. But one day I'm gonna put a boost port in for piston port, which apparently is just slightly smaller than the ones for reed valves. But yeah, I'm just procrastinating to take off the bottom end off the Cranbrook. I just been fucking regretting it. I got another one right here. I think I just need some I think I stole the clutch off this one. But yeah, guys, that's I'm just waiting to, it's gonna sit nice and low on this bike. And but anyway, guys, just showing you I don't really show people my cylinders that much because I have to take them off to show them. I usually don't have any ready to go, except when I'm doing like this, when I got a top end I'm waiting to put on, then I can show it to you. But I ain't taking my shit apart to do it. Yeah. Everyone's different. Each cylinder, I can't do the same thing. You can roughly do the same thing to each cylinder. You get an idea. But every cylinder is a little different. So when people ask me, like, what exactly do you do? You know, I really hesitate telling them, because it's probably going to be different than what they have. And I don't want to get blamed for that shit. I usually tell people to try to build their own before we talk about doing any work, because it's real hard for people to get the respect for one of these, because it isn't easy to build. And but anyway, guys, yeah, I'm just waiting to put this on. Got gaskets, and I see a lot of guys stripping bolts and for their intake. Guys, get studs, and I believe you guys need a 30mm length by 8mm. You know, get you guys some base gaskets. And if you guys are having problems finding good base gaskets, stuff right here, the right stuff, lifesaver. But anyway, guys, I got a chiropractor appointment to go to today, so I can't fuck with this. But if you guys got any questions, feel free to ask, and I advise anybody that's looking for legit bike live channel, go to LA Hover and Brian Amos, I believe his name is. He's a good guy. And don't forget, guys, it's just a bicycle with a motor on it. Later, y'all.